Hitting already. Oh, sit down. This. Focus. Alright, bet. Oh, we might be good. We might be good. Oh yeah. But yeah. Man, when they say building old schools cost a lot, they are not bullshitting. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Hemiworldproductions. Click the video, you know what's going on. We back with another video. Man, it's a little windy out here. I took my cover off a little bit, but we still good though. We still good. Well, hopefully. Yeah, man. I'm gonna take this off because we're the title. We got some things to do. Man, I honestly ain't sit out here and just mess with my baby in a minute because I'm waiting for things to come in. But we're gonna break that down. We're gonna break that down today. We're gonna match this stuff up. I honestly happy about it, really. So yeah, I wanna sand that down. Some stuff, because I was watching dang, what's his name? Spray World, it's something, I can't remember his name. Sprayway, there you go. I was watching him, and I was just watching all the stuff he do on how to do interior and everything. So I'm gonna do what he did. I'm gonna sand it down and make it look smooth instead of painting over it and it look all like rugged like that. But yeah, I'm gonna sand that bad boy down. But most of the rest of my stuff is good. I just really need to just clean it up. But for a test today, I'm gonna break that down. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna do my grill speakers. Then I'm gonna start breaking everything else down, because I really ain't messed with it because I just been waiting for stuff to get in or whatever. So that's, yeah, that, and been messing with the Challenger. So yeah, getting that out the way. I think that's the lowest views I had in a minute. Nobody care about that Challenger. Trust me, I don't care about it either. So it wasn't shocking to me. Still waiting for this to come in. Beat my mirror so I can snatch that off. But yeah, well, this side's good. I guess it's just, yeah, this side, I just need to clean this. Guess it's just that side. So yeah, well, go ahead and spray that. Try to match all that up. Hopefully it goes good. Man, look at that. Nobody cared about you. I don't even care about you, but I broke them down all the way down to the stocks. I don't care about none of that. They weren't getting my good rims. I threw this in here because I had to take the whatchamacallit off, but ooh, hopefully it matches up. Got that. Got that. Hold on. Let me just take it over to the car. This shit here, man, I'm gonna explain that. I'm going to explain that, cause this shit here, man. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, that's hitting already. Oh, sit down. This. Focus. Alright, bet. Oh, we might be good. We might be good. Oh yeah. But yeah, man, when they say building old schools cost a lot, they are not bullshitting. To match this shit up, $25 for them to match this up. It's probably more in other places, but I don't, the place that I actually found matched this up for me, $25. And this is $25. This basically help it stick more, like stick better or whatever. So and this is basically like an adhesive wipe. Basically when you clean all the surfaces off or whatever, then you just wipe it on there and help it stick even more. But what I'm gonna do, since I'm not doing clear coat because I don't want it to look shiny or whatever, that shit gonna look awkward. I'm going to do 3 coats. First I'm gonna do it on the my little vents or whatever right here to make sure everything's good, to make sure it actually is good. I'm not gonna just get in here and get the spray and all this shit and it's not actually matching up. But I should be good, man. I should be good. But man, this shit, these 2 little things right here hit for 50. When I know I'm gonna have to buy another one of these, probably 2 more. I don't know, because I still gotta do my pillars. Like, hold on, got you. Still gotta do my pillars, like the top of the pillar and shit. Still gotta hit this side. I still gotta hit the little trim around the window back there. Which honestly on the, hell nah, I ain't gonna do that. I was honestly on the cool, I could just keep it that color. But nah, I ain't doing it. Everything gotta match up. But so yeah, I'm most likely gonna have to buy 2 more of these mugs. Then I gotta hit all of this. I'm trying to debate if I want to hit my column. I feel like I am, because I don't think I ain't got any reason to switch it out. So I'm gonna have to mash the hell out of that and go ahead and do what I gotta do. But hey, it's a part of the game. It's a part of the game. But I know I'm gonna have another video. I have decided I'm gonna snatch this carpet out, and I'm gonna get the, what's it called? The sound dinner, whatever it's called right now. I can't think of what it's called right now. But yeah, oh, hold on, I forgot about this. So I wasn't just gonna make just one video about, you know, about me just color matching stuff. Yeah. I can't remember how much these cost. It really don't matter because I need them. But man, hey. Ooh, you do the old school, you gotta do it right. And I found some of these. I'm gonna polish them up and I'm gonna throw them on too, if I can get to that in this video. But if not, then I'll probably do another video. But bet these, bam, shine this up. Hopefully that look good. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that what you call it up. Probably get some video of that. And yeah, go ahead and get this process started and see what we got going on. I need this high ass shit. Alright, I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Alright, so while that paint is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and break this down because I ain't got nothing else to do. I need to figure out why this keep coming out, because every time I close this door it doesn't stay on here, but I don't know how the hell to make it really stay on a cool. I don't know, I'll figure that out later. But if I can find a way to set this up, break this bad boy down, because honestly my little speaker vents is really just a test run, because I did 3 coats. I'm trying to see if it'll be darker than this or it'll be lighter or whatever, because I don't want to start spraying this too, then this comes out the same and I'm pretty much just fucked. So that right there is just pretty much a test run. But if it is good, I already got everything broken down. If it's not good, then I still got everything broken down. I just, you know, figure it out. But let me figure out how to set this up and we'll get right with it. Alright, I didn't take this fully off yet, but looking at this, I see I'm already at a problem. Look how like this little shit is right here. That's to hold it in. But on the new ones I brought, they ain't got none of that shit. Oh, focus, focus, focus. Focus. Focus, damn you. Alright, you don't want to do right. But yeah, the new ones I got, there we go. They ain't got none of that. They just got these 2 little prongs right here. Hopefully that can get it to stay. If not, then I'm pretty much fucked. But I want to break this down all the way down, snatch this off, clean this up and everything else. But I really want to see if this is actually gonna go in here, because then probably wasted like I can't remember how much it even cost. It really don't even matter because I know I needed them, but I probably wasted that money. Let me go ahead and see something real quick. Okay, bet. Look, I'm learning shit my damn self, man. So I'm gonna drop that motherfucker. All right, remember this is what I was talking about. I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because how it's gonna really stay steady. So this bad boy is on top of here like this, with the little clips clamped in or whatever. So you gotta pull these out. Damn, this shit looks stupid blurry. Alright, you gotta pull these out. Pull these out. Then bam, you get this bracket. This bracket helps it basically stay in better, because it still had these 2 little prongs, just like it had these 2 little prongs on the new one. So you gotta take the prongs out of the new one, slap that on here, bend these back. Now you get a steady fucking thing. I'm learning. I am learning. I ain't gonna lie, they did a whole lot of stuff to these old cars in order for them to stay right and get right. But I'm learning. I had to get where'd it go? I had to get this bad boy to straighten it completely up, because I didn't want to just jag it in there and mess it up. So yeah, let me go ahead and put this on there. I had to throw that little thing in there because I'm learning, man. I'm learning. But the more you learn, the more you can actually do it yourself on the cool. So yeah, let me go ahead and put this back together real quick. Alright, boom, just like that. We back with the little prongs in there. So whenever I'll throw this in here just in a minute. Hold on, let me go ahead and set this up because I'm tired of cutting this off and cutting it back on. My man's fucked me on that. He threw that rusted one back in there. But basically, I don't want to scratch my shit up. Even though I ain't be able to see all that right there, I still don't want to scratch it up. Basically, it's gonna lock down. Bam, just like that. Then I grab my other one. Hold on, make sure this works first. Hook that up, bam, bam, bam. Shit, y'all hear it? Hold on. Hold on. One more time, y'all hear? Yeah. That's it. That is it. Hold on, disconnected, bam. I'm gonna scratch my shit up. Bam, just like that. Be nice and flushed in there. Took my little thing, bend these prongs right here, bend this prong, bend this prong. Oh, might as well do that on camera. Fuck it, we here. How do I want to do this without? Better yet, we just gonna bend it like that. We just gonna bend it like that, bam. Bam. Boy, this video started off for paint. I'm supposed to be matching up paint right now. You get to fucking with a car, you want to try to do everything. I'm gonna be trying to give out long videos because people don't want to see all this shit. They want to see a finished project, but this is part of the finished project, so you gonna watch this, man. So yeah, bam. Out with the old and with the new. Let me go ahead and put this back on here real quick. Even though I'm gonna break it down anyway, but just to give a visual of what we looking like. Just to give a visual of what we looking like. Bam. Okay. Give a visual of what we looking like. There we go. There we go. Man, hey, hold on. Shit, act like it don't work. Don't play with me. Hey, man, hit that other side. I ain't gonna do that on video though, cause I still gotta break all this down or whatever. I don't ain't supposed to be doing it. I wanted to show y'all this, but I wasn't supposed to put it in. Well, I actually was supposed to put it in, but it really wasn't my main topic. I was trying to make sure the paint matched and sun going down and everything. So let me go ahead and cut this off because I'm pretty sure that paint is dry. Go ahead and grab one of them and see if it match up. I'll be right back. Alright, we back. The moment of truth. I ain't gonna lie, your boy didn't do bad on it. I didn't do bad at all. Preparation, you gotta clean it. Oh, we good. We are good. Hold on. Bam. Hold on, bam. Is this the right one? This the right side? Hey man, get out of my car, man. Come on, man. You're doing too much. It's the right one, we good? Hold on. No, not other side, alright. I'm too hyped right now. I'm too hyped. I got it on the wrong side. We are good. We are good. Fuck yeah. 3 coats. I didn't grab the other one. The other one looked like it's still a little wet, but we are good. 3 coats. Man, and that's exactly why I didn't want to put no gloss on it, because it would have been all shiny and stuff. It would have looked awkward when this is already, it ain't dull, but it ain't shiny like that. Man, we good. Hey, that's what I like to see. Then I look over here, you all ugly and shit. You getting replaced. I know how to do it now, Bucko. You out of there. Man, I'm hyped for that. I'm hyped for that. So, but man, that man spray way. I watched probably good. Hey, I watched this video a cool 15-20 times just to try to remember everything was of how to do this without messing it up or even having a run or anything. And man, thank you to that man there. We are good. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. We are good. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up because this is already way too long. I never make videos this long. It's always just shit that's short, simple, and to the point. But we got wrapped up in changing these motherfuckers out. I was finna paint this too, but I realized I don't know if that's even the right kind of paint. But we found out now. Hey, we good. We are good. So next video, damn, next video, I don't know. Next video, I'm either gonna, I already have this already masked up, and we're gonna spray all of this. And I need to get a lock. I forgot all about my dang lock for my what you call it. But mask all this up, spray all this down, or it's gonna be a video about me going to test drive whichever truck I'm gonna get, because I got a good majority of trucks in mind that I'm already scheduled to see. So whichever video comes first, it comes first. But we are good. Then we got this bad boy over here. Man, hey, we coming together. We are coming together. All I gotta do is figure out now is what the hell this is called. Oh shit, I'm dropping bolts. What the hell this is called, so I can clean this up. So I can't have this bitch all shiny and this motherfucker all dull. But man, hey, I'm hyped for that. I gotta go back to that side. I'm hyped for that. I am hyped, cause boy, it looked good. This is how I pictured it in my mind. I wanted everything to match, and so far, hey, everything is matching up how I wanted to match up. Man, let me go ahead and shut this on now, man. Remember, comment, like, subscribe. Y'all come back and holler at y'all boy. Y'all take it easy, man.